Hello friends, uh, it's been quite a while since I uh, did some project, so I've been having these questions. uh, how can you be able to do a cable management if you have a multi-LNB? So this is just an example here. The setup I'm just trying to show. So if you have a multi-LNB satellite, how will be a cable management be? So in front of you, you have you need to use need a cutter, you need this tape, then you need the cable ties, which is around 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter on the width. Then the length is 200 millimeter, but of course a shorter one is recommended, because now you won't use you won't have to cut a long one. There will be not too much of waste. So then you'll need this PVC. This is a PVC material. I think PVC will be good on even out there, the ultraviolet light. So what you need to do is just have this small make some small holes on the side, like so, so that when you put the cable tie, you'll be able to fix it firmly, like this one here. You can see these are cable ties on the side. Yeah, as you can see, the side. Then in the center here, you have to name the satellite at 7 west, that's the degree. So that is what I've been asked to by one of the clients, to actually show how you can be able to name these satellites if you have that multi-lnb. So also you need to have a felt pen for you to write a good name, then a pair of long nose pliers. It's an expert. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can be able to name your satellites. For example, if you have many cables and you need a good cable management, like this picture here shows. You can be able to know, can be able to name each type of connection on the satellite according to the specific cable. So this is an example. This is a desk switch. But what if you, in case you have a multiple LNBs, like this picture here? Then what you do, I devised a simple formula where you can be able to use this method. We use this PVC. These are PVC material. So just cut into smaller pieces, as you can see. And also here on the both sides, I tried to balance on each side, so that when I fold onto a cable, like this, I can be able to get a good grip on the zip ties. This is a 3.5 millimeter by 200 millimeter length. Length is 200 millimeter, while the width is 3.5 mm. So this is how it comes out. As you can see, this is a cable. This is RG6. So what you do is that you pick, for it to come out like this, you pick one. This is the one PVC piece. So then you grab your zip tie, then use the zipping side to actually just take it in, just pull it inside like that. Yeah, pull it inside, then the other side, like so. Then remember to leave a space here, a small, a bigger space, so that when you are, because you need to get in the cable, then you can be able to zip it. So we go to the other side. So going up on this other side, you pick this side of zipping side. Just need to direct into that hole. I think I didn't put a large enough hole so that it can be able to pass easily, but yeah, it goes. It goes. So that's how we do it. Then on the other side, there, you can see. So that's how it comes out. Then you take your cable. So this is my cable. Then push the cable inside. After you push the cable inside, then you go ahead and zip it. Go ahead and zip it. You actually have to hear the sound. That sound, yeah, that's a zipping sound. And on the other end, like so. Can hear the sound. Yeah. Then make sure you press it enough, like this one. This is a sample I made earlier. You can see how it has come out. Then you go ahead, you pick. You need a felt pen. This is a felt pen, a red one. Just need to mark it. This one will mark it as a, for example, I'll mark it as a Nile sat. Nile sat. That's it. Nile sat. Then on the other end, 7 west. This is a degree, the 7 west. So that's the naming. Nile sat 7 west. There. Let's close that one. Then after you are done, you pick your tape. You tape the PVC tape, or whichever name you call it, and then just make sure that you close the ends so that it comes round to have that good grip there. Make sure you give it a good roll there. Then this other end, just remove this one. Yeah, come to this other end, repeat the same. Actually grab one end there, give it a generous tip there. Yeah, make it generous enough. So there you have it. This is a Nalsat 7 West, the proper name. So actually when you go to fix it onto DSEC or LNB, this is a DSEC. I hope you can see LNB 1, LNB 2, LNB 3 and 4. So most of us who have the multi-satellite setup, you can be able to easily recognize your connection as the satellite angle. You can see, so this one goes in there, there. So you have Nalsat is at LNB1. Nalsat is at LNB1. So on the decoder, you can be able to get the settings easily and make your connections or setup quite easily. So that's how you do it. And make sure you have your pair of cutter. This is a pair of cutter, yeah. So you can be able to cut these sides. There's a small piece, small area on the other side. Then this is one side, then the other side. So that's how you do it. So let us go there on my setup. So actually you can see what I've done with this cable management using cable ties with the PVC, which it will be resistant to UV, the ultraviolet light. Yeah. I hope it will stay longer. It won't peel off the naming so soon. So